If you want to write a resume faster and with less stress, ChatGPT can help you create a clean, professional resume in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to write resumes with ChatGPT, even if you're a fresher and starting from zero. By the end, you'll know how to create a resume template, add your details, improve the formatting, and export it as a PDF. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the chat screen, you want to start with a simple prompt that gives ChatGPT a clear direction. Type, "Create a resume template for fresher." This tells ChatGPT exactly what kind of resume you need, and it will generate a basic structure for you with sections like name, objective, education, skills, and experience. Now, once the first draft appears, don't just stop there. The real power of ChatGPT is in the details you add next. Copy your personal information, then paste it into the chat. You can say something like, "Add my name, education, skills, experience." If you have internship experience, projects, certifications, or volunteer work, include those too. The more relevant information you provide, the better the resume will look. ChatGPT can place your details into the template and make it much more polished and readable. After that, take a look at the resume structure and ask ChatGPT to customize it. You can say, "Make it professional." Then you can follow up with, "Improve formatting." This is where ChatGPT helps you refine the wording, organize the sections better, and make the resume sound more employer-friendly. If needed, you can also ask it to make the tone more formal, add strong action words, or shorten the content to fit one page. That's especially helpful for fresher resumes, where clarity and presentation matter a lot. Once the resume looks good, the next step is to copy it and move it into a document editor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Paste the content, then adjust the font, spacing, margins, and headings if needed. If you want it to look even more professional, keep the layout simple and clean. Avoid too many colors or fancy designs unless you're applying for a creative role. For most jobs, a neat one-page resume works best. Finally, after you've finished editing, save the file as a PDF. In Word, you can use Save As and choose PDF. In Google Docs, you can download it as a PDF directly. This ensures your formatting stays consistent when you send it to employers or upload them to job portals. And that's it. You now have a professional resume created with the help of ChatGPT. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-powered productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.